This year, our company celebrates its 10th anniversary. Over the years of operating in Phuket, we have successfully delivered 4 boutique condominium projects. At the end of 2023, we launched sales for our 5th apartment project, Essence, located in the Rawai area in the south of the island. Harmony Group's next exceptional project is set to become our flagship. We are proud to present Bamboo Forest. This project was created in collaboration with the international architectural studio Zrobim Architects, whose portfolio spans the globe, from New York to Almaty. Inspired by the tropics and the vibrant local culture, we have crafted a development that embodies the harmony between humanity, architecture, and nature. Bamboo Forest consists of 3 separate buildings, A, B, and C, which are visually united into a single cohesive structure. Bridges connect the buildings and create a cozy atmosphere in the inner courtyard. Suspended from the bridges are light fixtures, doubling as art installations, which add a warm and inviting ambiance in the evening. The project is adorned with narrow slats reminiscent of a bamboo forest. The flexible curved balcony grills, draped with cascading greenery, evoke the look of fishing nets hung out to dry. Above the 4 floors of standard units are 2 recessed apartment floors, designed to resemble rocky formations on a sandy shoreline. All apartments are equipped with spacious landscape terraces, allowing residents to enjoy nature without leaving home while ensuring privacy. These terraces are fitted with an automatic irrigation system, requiring minimal maintenance and no additional cost for upkeeping. The buildings are glazed with tinted graphite glass, preserving the project's visual silhouette and reducing excessive sun glare. Night lighting is another design feature that sets Bamboo Forest apart. In the evening, the windows glow with vibrant lights, and at night, only wide vertical strips of soft light remain, giving the project a distinctive, memorable look reminiscent of a lighthouse silhouette. The infrastructure seamlessly blends with the overall design of the project. The carefully planned layout of residential and communal areas allows residents to enjoy stunning views while maintaining their privacy. The project ensures a true sense of safety and security. The grounds are protected by a dual access system, and entry to the inner courtyard in each building is only possible with a special key card. Bamboo Forest is the perfect place for a balanced lifestyle. The thoughtfully designed private amenities on the ground floor include a spacious gym with panoramic views of the inner courtyard, a large co-working space with open and private areas, a bar and restaurant, a cascading pool in the center of the courtyard, 2 children's play areas with a shallow pool for the youngest residents, and a secluded dog walking green space. Additionally, the project features a main lobby at the entrance area, as well as individual lobbies in each building, uniquely decorated with greenery. In addition to guest parking, Bamboo Forest offers an underground parking facility with 81 spaces. We have also considered the needs of those traveling with large families or leading active lifestyles. You can now store bulky items or sports equipment in storage rooms located in the underground parking area and on the ground floors. There are a total of 94 storage units, each measuring 2 or 4 square meters. The project includes a supply and exhaust air conditioning system. All technical infrastructure, such as ventilation shafts and air conditioning units, is discreetly hidden from view, preserving the building's elegant appearance. Another key feature of Bamboo Forest is the smart home system, which allows you to control your apartment remotely, adjusting settings with just a few clicks. This is particularly convenient for extended trips or business travel. The apartments come with pre-designed scenarios that help conserve energy, prevent excess humidity, and maintain a comfortable microclimate. You can monitor all apartment parameters through a convenient app, or, if preferred, entrust this task to our management company. In collaboration with the International Architectural Bureau, Zrobim Architects, we have developed 3 unique styles for each building. From minimalist elegance to vibrant ethnics, wave, rhythm, and ethnica. Building A, Wave. The wave interiors reflect understated elegance. They feature calm, natural tones, minimalism, and a sense of lightness. Matte wall finishes, large format stone-textured ceramic tiles, and tactile wooden surfaces create a relaxing atmosphere. Woven furniture, textured tiles, and soft pastel accents add warmth and coziness, while black and steel elements bring character and modernity to the design. Building B, Rhythm. The rhythm interiors are designed for those who live in the rhythm of a big city. Modernity, minimalism, and functionality blend seamlessly with geometric forms and natural materials. The primary palette includes warm gray and matte white tones, complemented by natural wooden elements. All furniture is functional and harmoniously integrated into the space, giving residents the freedom to personalize their interiors. Building C, Ethnica. The Ethnica concept is a bold fusion of Thai traditions and modernity. Interiors are enriched with vibrant natural colors, intricate decorative elements, and unique handmade furniture. In multi-room units, the bedrooms are designed to accommodate various lifestyle scenarios. In some, the wardrobe is integrated into the bedroom, creating an open and spacious layout, while others feature full master suites with separate walk-in closets and bathrooms. Bamboo Forest is designed to meet the demands of even the most discerning buyers. We have developed 26 layout types for 135 apartments, with a strong focus on maximizing the functionality of every square meter. The designs feature ample built-in storage systems, separate entryways, spacious island kitchens, dedicated dining areas, generous living rooms, and walk-through wardrobes. Each apartment is equipped with all the essential appliances for comfortable long-term living, including washing machines, dishwashers, microwave ovens with convection functions, stovetops, double-door refrigerators, inducted range hoods. Studios, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments, and luxurious penthouses are all thoughtfully designed to be spacious and ergonomic. Every unit is crafted to become the perfect home. Living in Bamboo Forest at Bang Tao is your gateway to a new lifestyle in a tropical climate, filled with tranquility, modern comfort, and exceptional style. It's a unique place where inspiration, care, European standards, and Thai traditions come together. We aim to create projects that become symbols of quality living on the island, developments that inspire and leave a lasting impression. Bamboo Forest is the embodiment of harmony between nature and architecture, striking the perfect balance between an active lifestyle and peaceful relaxation. Bamboo Forest by Harmony Group, your new contemporary home in Phuket.